Hello, I'm Dr. Kinmon, and this is my patient Vince. Vince, how are you?
Great, Dr. Kinmon.
Wanted to talk to Vince about a surgery that he had performed for arthritis in the big toe joint. Vince, what's been your experience?
Well, I was a ballet dancer for 27 years, and I was a professional kickboxer. And as you know, my toe is 95% destroyed after years of dance. And for 13 years, every step I took was painful. I'd gone to you and got injections, and it got to a point where I couldn't even take a step. I failed all conservative treatment.
Right, I remember that. And you were in a lot of pain, right?
Yes, I was.
Was it limiting your activity?
All my activity. There was nothing that I could do. I couldn't walk. I literally would go to work, and I'd come home and I'd lay in bed. It was terrible.
Right, I remember that. You couldn't run anymore or do any...
No running, nothing. I mean, exercise was out of the question. I ended up gaining 40 pounds.
Wow.
As a result of it.
And then we finally were able to convince you to go forward with surgery, right?
Right. I was a little hesitant to have a fusion, but, you told me that that's what my only option was, and I had seen you rehab and do surgery on hundreds of patients, so I had trust in you to do it.
Right, and how did it go?
My foot is 100% perfect. I have absolutely no pain in my foot. I'm running. I'm training for the CrossFit Games, which is which determines the fittest in the world.
Wow.
Both man and woman in the Masters division. I run 5 miles, I do sprints, I power lift, I do Olympic lifting. I have no limitations since you fixed my toe.
Wow. Have you lost any weight?
40 pounds.
Wow. That's
I lost 40 pounds.
Awesome. Could you give us a demonstration?
I'd be happy to. In ballet, there's what's called beats. And if you know anything about jumping, in order to leave the floor, you have to generate 3 times your body weight. So I'm going to give a demonstration of what's called beats in ballet, and you can see the integrity of the surgical repair. I wouldn't have been able to do that unless Dr. Kinmon fixed this toe. I just put a few thousand pounds of force through my big toe, and I have 0 pain.
That's awesome.
You're the best.
Thanks so much, Ben.
I owe you my life. I really appreciate it.
That's very nice. I'm glad you're doing well. That's awesome. Thank you.
Thanks.